Hello guys, today we will show you how to know Wi-Fi password. Follow my step.
Then click on Network and Internet. While you are on network status, scroll down and click on Network and Sharing Center. Then, click on the Wi-Fi name that appears. And then select Wireless Properties. Then select the security network key with a show character from the list that appears below. Here you can see your Wi-Fi password, which is already connected on your device. Otherwise, check your Wi-Fi connection. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to your channel.